Yes, my people. They are again, But do another video, So I feel like I'm gonna eat some callaloo, with some soft yam, potato and some green banana. People, some callaloo, so much me get. You know? I just chip it and I wash it in some salt water and get it chip off, Get it cut up and get it for steam, Some saltfish, you know what I mean? Stay tuned and watch what go on here. And people, I get on a food pot and I get some water in the pot. Put on the food pot right now. Fast and brisk, Quick meal, Some steamed callaloo with some saltfish and soft yam, sweet potato, and a few green bananas, That me feel like more for my dinner. You see it, people. So I get it fast and brisk, up and running. You see me? I get on the pot from the fire now. Yeah, people, now I get my food peeled up and I wash off. Burn in my pot, It's me, sweet potato, green banana, I get them peeled up, Wash off, people. The potato first. Get the yam and stuff peeled up and the banana. That is already on the fire. After getting hot. Get the food in here already, People, you can see, done peel the food and everything already. I'll get it in the pot now. Yeah. Pot full of food pot cook already, man. I'll get out this and get out my callaloo right away. people, so I'm seasoning now cut off the callaloo. See that? Pepper, garlic, scallion, onion, sweet pepper. Get them up, you know. And people see that? So the seasoning I'm gonna put on the onion, sweet pepper, it's a tomato too, hot pepper, and garlic. All of that I go on my callaloo, you know. Fry it up, get the callaloo in it, see that? Well seasoning. Okay, I see people, I do this callaloo saltfish already, so I get it clean up for the dude. And people like this. Yeah. And you know, get the saltfish pick up, you know. Bone out there, I don't want no bone go down my throat, you know. And people see that? Like that. So now we gather my pot now, throw in the oil, get it up, you know. Then we get on my pot on the fire now, steam the callaloo, get some olive oil in the pot, so a little for the seasoning. Yeah. And then I get in the seasoning in the pot. I get in the saltfish in the pot now. I'm gonna get in some powder seasoning right away. Pouring it. Some natural seasoning this. Homemade seasoning. Complete seasoning. Garlic powder. That's on. Get in the callaloo. plate. I'm gonna stir my callaloo here now. Green and nice. And taste if it want any salt because saltfish alone in it. Okay. Turn on the stove on a low flame now. Turn on the stove on a low flame, make it go on. Take time going with anything.
We come to the end of the video, you know, Pete's. As you can see, so it look beautiful. We have pear in it, we have banana, and we have sweet potato. So it look, you know. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, share it to another friend. Please thumbs up the video if you like it, alright? Thank you all.